Hey, what's up guys, it's Jason from Deadbolt Custom Works here. Just want to show you this project I've been working on recently. What we've got here is a proto rail that was a bit too expensive to fix, so I've converted it with a custom 3D printed mount for this Vive tracker. Works in the Vive HTC Vive architecture, so room scale tracking. It's pretty great. I've only got the small space, but you can imagine it'd be awesome in a 5x5. So what that does is it works in conjunction with this game I've built in Unity. Now keep in mind, I'm not a game developer. This is just something I've taught myself in my spare time, just so we can get some training in at home. Cheap. And yeah, let's just jump straight in. Show you what we've got. Alright, so what we have here is basically the NXL 2018 World Cup layout, replicated in VR. See the gun here, tracks you pretty well, follows you around. Pull the trigger, it fires. Now if you shoot at something, you can see it leaves a split on the wall, or on the bunker, or on the ground, whatever you're shooting at. Also we've got these targets placed around the place that these change colour when you hit them. And you can see they've got some physics on them too, so you can actually bounce shot off them, which is quite fun. If you've got a couple of them close together, you can bounce one into the other and you can see you've actually hit two. Also, facing this way, on the grip here, using these grip buttons that we've wired in as well to move around the field. So if you want to do some shooting from a mare, you can. And this will just track you around. It allows you to practice your shooting, which I obviously need some of. Playing different parts of the field. I can go into this giant brick, which my flatmate can actually shoot over the top of, but I can't, so it's not much use for me. I'm more of a short dude, so this is probably a better spot for me. So we can back up along the snake, get some shots in, and then jump back into cover. Just play wherever you like, move around the field. See everything changing colour and again bouncing off into crazy directions. So hopefully we can get one of these. I'll come this way a bit more. Get them bouncing off and hopefully making the other one change colour. Oh no, unfortunately. Can't get to do it. There we go. But yeah, this is what I've been working on recently. It's the Deadbolt Custom Works VR Paintball project. Follow along on my social medias, which will be down the bottom, just to see how the progress goes. This is a backseat project, so I'll get it done when I get it done. But yeah, thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed.